Geoff, the situation obviously with the building itself, if the cladding hadn't been on there, would the policy of the fire brigade saying for people to stay, did that affect the number of deaths?
The policy of stay put is the correct policy. It's worked in hundreds of cases in the past. We've not seen fire deaths anything like this. The problem that you've got is not directly associated with the cladding and the fire spread itself. It's the fact that the escape routes were unavailable, which means that what would normally happen is the stay put policy doesn't mean that you stay put in your flat if your flat is on fire. Okay? It doesn't mean that you stay there throughout the whole of the time. If you're seeing smoke and flames in your flat, you should be evacuating regardless of a stay put policy. That's not what stay put means. What it means is it's generally safe for you to remain in there until the fire service tell you it's suitable for you to get out. The problem with Grenfell appears to be that there was smoke and flames in the staircase itself. So the fire service couldn't turn around to people and say, right, we now need to evacuate you out and into the staircase and away. Secondly, it spread to such a degree that it was not possible for them to fight it from 1 or 2 floors, which meant they were committing people into multiple floors in the building. And that search and rescue plan was ongoing, so having people coming out and into the areas where they're carrying out those works again were a problem. Ultimately, we may decide that we can only have buildings that have got 2 staircases so that people can evacuate while the fire service are doing it, but that's not the way that we've currently designed them, and it's worked perfectly since the post-war 1945 period.
If the Grenfell was a one-off and it wasn't just the cladding and it's the stairs and the whatever, is doing these other 250 buildings, is that really necessary? Is that overkill? Or?
One of the things that we need to find out is precisely what caused the deaths in Grenfell. What we've seen is that the fire has clearly spread in this particular case. One of the things we need to ensure is that in other cases, for example, if there are other terraced buildings around, that we're not going to get flaming panels falling off the building and setting fire to adjoining buildings. So regardless of the safety of the people inside the building, it would be a problem for people outside of the building if these panels are falling off. So it's work that really does need to be done regardless, but it's not necessarily just about the life safety of the people within the buildings themselves. And providing you've got the fire doors in place, the smoke control systems, emergency lighting in place, and the fire service access is all correct, it's proven statistically for many, many years that these buildings are safe.
Someone was telling me about ventilation in the stairways. Did that go wrong in the Grenfell case, or?
We don't know at this point in time. No information has been released about that. But if there was smoke in the staircase, that indicates that the system had failed. And the eyewitness reports and the fire service reports are saying that there was smoke in the staircase. The logical conclusion from that is that the smoke control systems in there failed. But we can't say that for certain at this point in time because it's obviously subject of an ongoing investigation, and we'll have to find out precisely what happened and why the smoke got in there.
How will that be regulated by the building works? So they're going to reclaim all these buildings. Does that mean there would have to be a building inspector on site watching this work going on? Or?
All of these buildings will require a building control approval for the recladding work itself, so that will require a building regs application to be made. Building control should check the details and the plans of those recladding projects. They should consult the fire service in each case, and then they should go out and inspect and sign off the works as they would do in a normal way. Whether or not it's appropriate to actually have a higher level of inspection than you would do previously is a matter of
There's so many plans you have to watch it going on. Every flat room, every section.
You would certainly you'd need to have seen a large number of them.
Someone cutting corners and saying, oh, I want that building.
I would hope that, given the attention that this has seen, that no contractor would consider cutting corners in any name, way, shape or form on these particular projects. And certainly that anyone that's being employed to do them is checked out for their ability and experience in carrying out these before they do so.